Hey, fifth grade, we are going to start a new writing unit called Argumentative Essay. And it's really easy to have an opinion. Everybody's got an opinion about everything these days, right? But this is different. What we want to do is find an issue and research both sides of the argument, collect evidence before we make our decision, and then write a piece using that evidence to support our idea. So this is a little different than just having an opinion. We're really going to base this in fact. So the subject we're going to just start out real quick with is chocolate milk. Everybody loves chocolate milk, right? And they serve it here at Terra Linda. But the question is, should they serve chocolate milk at school, or should it be banned? So I've got some articles for you, and I want you to read these articles. Read them with a writer's eye and really look for some evidence to support both sides of the argument and take notes. Suspend your opinion, suspend judgment until you've read some of the evidence. So what I've done is I have created a document. I went into Google Docs and I formatted my document and I added some columns and I made 2 columns. One that says milk should be served, one says milk should be banned. You can do it on a piece of paper. You can do it on a Jamboard, whatever works for you, but you're going to be reading some documents and then taking notes. You're going to be turning these notes in, so make sure you take notes, all right? So the first article I want you to read is Nutrition in Disguise. Now, we all know that sometimes titles can tell us a lot about what's inside, right? So what do we think Nutrition in Disguise is going to tell us? Do you think this is going to be for chocolate milk, or do you think this is going to be for banning chocolate milk? Think about that for a minute. Nutrition in Disguise. Let's also take a look at who wrote this article. It's written by the Dairy Council. I wonder if the author has anything to do with their opinion there too. All right, so I've got my article, I've got my paper, and I'm ready to start taking notes. So that's your job today, is start taking notes. As you read, jot something down. So let's do a little bit of that right now, all right? You secretly love chocolate milk. You're in for some happy news. Recently, the Midwest Dairy Association released an infomercial that argues chocolate milk is, according to nutritionist Melissa Dobson, nutrition in disguise. In the infomercial, Ms. Dobson, who introduces herself as a nutritionist for the Dairy Association and a mom, brings along 3 young friends to help her demonstrate that chocolate milk is a healthy part of a young person's diet. Ooh, I think I'm going to write that. Nutritionist says milk is a good part of a young person's diet. So I would come over here to my document and I would write, I think I'm going to use those little bullet points. I like to use those a lot. Nutritionist says chocolate milk is a good part of a young person's diet. And I'm going to continue like that, taking notes. No matter which side of the argument it falls on, I'm going to just keep writing those things down as I go, right? So I would just continue, go back to my article, and keep reading and taking notes. If you happen to finish Nutrition in Disguise on our Canvas page, on the home page, scroll down and look at the writing right here. And here I've linked several other documents for you to take notes on. Right here it says Argument Essay, that's the unit we're on, and then it lists several texts. Save the videos for now. You can keep working your way down this list of documents. All of these are a link to documents. They also are camis, so if you want to, you can highlight things, underline things, annotate it however you want. That is your job today, all right? You're going to set up a document. It has 2 sides. You're going to listen with an open mind to both arguments and take notes, reading these documents. And if you need to, if you finish that one, go on to these other texts under our writing tab. Good luck, writers. You got this.